Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Sperry. I have cold right now, so pardon my voice, but in today's video I will be experimenting on my hair. I am going to cook my hair, so if you want to see the outcome of it, whether it was successful or a failure, keep watching. So for the ingredient, I will be using some shea butter, cocoa butter, aloe vera, onions, avocado, ginger, rosemary, rice, eggs, and some snow. Yes, snow. So let's just get into it. Yeah, I'm gonna cry. This was such a horrible idea because the rice is not going nowhere. I mean, I got most part of it out, but still have like tons of it in my hair, and I don't think I can do any better job than what I'm doing now. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. It's probably going to be me chopping my hair off, or maybe me trying the salon to see what they can do with it. But this was a horrible, horrible idea. So don't do that. Okay, y'all. So this is how my hair looks now. It is just hysterical. I don't know what I'm going to do with this hair. If I'm going to chop it off, or if I'm going to go to the salon to see what they can do with it. I'm not sure. But now this is how it looks. I'm just gonna let it air dry and also think about what to do. So if you come to the end of this video and you want to see what I do to my hair next, go ahead, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like this video. So I will see you guys in my next video.
Told you that you couldn't do it cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should get your sauce up.